Republicans have a checklist of items they want to go after if they can win back Congress. On that list, taking on legislation against ESG, that is environmental, social and governance investing. Hilary Vaughan with us. Is this all about companies going woke?
Stuart, so Republicans are blasting the SEC for a proposal that would require firms to prove that investments that appear to be green or socially aware actually live up to those claims, trying to combat what's called, quote, greenwashing of ESG investments. The idea, Republicans say, would push investors away from fossil fuel tied industries. Congressman John Rose demanding answers from the SEC on if this is constitutional, leading a letter with other 21 Republicans on the House Financial Services to the SEC chair. Rose saying this in a statement, quote, Chair Gensler and President Biden's desire to transform our entire economy through administrative action by an unelected commission is unwise and even dangerous. The SEC should immediately reverse course on this ill-advised proposal to save taxpayer dollars on fighting this in court. But climate groups disagree that the SEC's proposal would lead to a blacklist of fossil fuel companies. The Sierra Club's fossil-free finance campaign manager saying this in a statement. Wall Street banks are the largest funders of fossil fuels in the world. The bizarre notion that banks are boycotting energy companies is just the latest flavor of climate denial cooked up by extreme politicians and their fossil fuel industry donors. It's part of a broader attempt to prevent free market businesses from addressing urgent climate-related financial risks. But some Republicans are promising to not let this go and pledge to get answers from the SEC if they take the majority in November.
The goal of the House Financial Services Committee and Congress should be to push back hard against this Securities and Exchange Commission rulemaking. It would impose huge new liabilities on public companies and again hurt, not protect investors, but hurt protectors by politicizing the allocation of capital.
Stuart, even some states are taking action themselves. The treasurer in West Virginia is actually banning banks from receiving state contracts if they follow these ESG rules. Stuart?
Very interesting. All right.